Welcome to our live show. Welcome. So this 360 degrees for the machine, and this is the details of our DSG250. The height of the machine, the die seat, the micrometer, and the control panel. So the control panel, the details for the control panel. For a hose crimping machine, the following parts are very important. The height of the machine, the motor, the pump. This is a motor. And this is a valve, belongs to the electric parts. So the electric box, oil tank, all these parts are very important, which can consist the hose crimping machine.